This video I'm going to teach you how to close a survey on SurveyMonkey. So in order to close the survey, what we can do first is we need to head over to surveymonkey.com, which is their website. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can proceed to click on this Get Started Free right here or the Sign Up Free right here in order to create an account. So your account should have your survey, but if you don't have it, you can proceed to create one. Now, if you already have an account and you already have a survey, just proceed to click onto this login. So let me head over and show you what my account looks like. Here is my dashboard. As you can see right here, I have in here this open option right here or this open survey and I want to close it. In order to close this, what we can do is you first need to head over and click onto this right here. This will actually open in here this. So make sure to click on that. And then from in there, next thing you need to do is to find the collect responses section. You can find it by clicking on the this collect responses option that we can see right here. So this should be able to show you the two options on how it can actually create or answer the survey. I have in here embedded survey as well as web link. So if you want to close this, what you can do is you can head over right here, click on these three dots, click on this close collector. Doing this will turn off the survey for this particular collector and you can actually input right here a close message. For example, let's input right here, sorry, this survey has been closed. They also have right here a pre-added text, like this survey is closed right there. Once you're done, just click on this close collector right here in order to successfully close a survey on SurveyMonkey. So that's all there is for today and I hope this video helped you out.